Welcome to ZOOMERS RV of Wabash, Indiana. This is the used 2018 Keystone Bullet 248 RKS. This 29-foot, 4-inch rear kitchen travel trailer. Has one slide. It weighs just 5,105 pounds. This MSRPs at $34,972. It is available at the ZOOMERS low price of $19,900. That is as little as $194 a month with ZOOMERS hassle-free on-site financing. You have a spare tire on the back. This is a dual entry travel trailer. There's LED light strip underneath the awning. You see outdoor speakers. This also comes with a 30K BTU furnace as part of the thermal package. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. As you can see, this rear kitchen travel trailer is in excellent condition. Here in the back we have a Dometic 2-door refrigerator. Microwave and cabinetry up top. A large single basin sink with cutting board. Three-burner cooktop with glass cover. And of course some cabinetry below as well. Here we have our couch that folds out into a bed to create some sleeping area. We have some nice storage over here that could be used as a wardrobe or just as storage. For our couch here, we have an outlet, a little end table. We have a dinette here with storage underneath. We have a TV directly across from the couch and some storage above. This camper comes with a fully enclosed restroom and a just foot flush toilet, sink, mirrored medicine cabinet. We have our shower, and we also have a linen closet. Let's go ahead and check out the front bedroom. Notice we have wardrobe on either side. We have a laundry chute. There we go. Queen size bed. Our own entrance. TV hookup. There's even storage underneath the bed. So you can see here. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this used 2018 Bullet. See pictures online or apply for financing through our secure portal at ZOOMERSRV.com. Thank you.